Okay, hello guys. Today we're going to do the fidget spinner challenge. So if you didn't notice already, it's so weird. We have green leaves. As green as you can possibly be. So today I'm going to do the fidget spinner challenge. Ooh, we're scared. I'm okay. Oof. Just a little hurt. Okay, so fidget spinner challenge starting now. Okay. So now I'm just gonna show you guys around because I'm waiting. So I'll show you guys kind of what we've done on Halloween. So we didn't do all of this on Halloween, but we kind of did it. Our friends did that. We did nothing. So, choosers. So, oh wait. This is what's left of it. So is this. I'm keeping this. Ooh, is that what I see? That's a brace. Also locked. Barbed wire bracelet. Guys, not actually barbed wire. Not actually barbed wire. Huh, candy still in the wrapper. What is it? Baby Ruth? Nah. Probably old. Because today is, I think, it's voting day. So it's November 5th, I think. Wait, no, it's November 5th. Wait, I don't remember. Oh yeah, because Saturday would be Halloween, and then Sunday is one. And then today is voting day, which is on the 12th. So it's, I think, the 4th. I don't remember. So that would be expired by now. So, yeah. This is our place. If you see something go fast real quick, that's the jack-o'-lantern that I'm swinging. Here. Okay. So, I'll see you guys next video. Bye.